What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today is day 2 of our 30 days of RV tours. Today we're taking a look at a Class C RV that sleeps quite a bit of people, but it has no bunks. This right here is the East to West Entrada 2600DS. Let's take a look. Alright, so this is the East to West Entrada 2600DS. This RV sleeps quite a bit of people and it has no bunks. But first, let's take a look at the specs. So you have an overall length of 29 feet 4 inches, a gross vehicle weight rating of 12,500 pounds, an exterior width of 101 inches, and a wheelbase of 190 inches. Alright, so let's start on the outside of this RV. So you have a slide out on the campsite with an awning topper and then a 12-foot awning here. Then on the back you have a ladder as well as a slide out on the driver's side. Alright, so now let's head inside of this Class C. So this is the cab of the F450. It has cloth seats with a bed above. And then over to the dinette, this turns into a bed, and then you have a tri-fold sofa that turns into about a queen-size, full-size bed. And then you have some cabinet space above, as well as cabinets on one side of the slide out, and then 2 drawers underneath. Alright, now let's head to the bedroom. So this right here is the bedroom with a queen-size bed, and then you have this little partition that slides across and closes off the space. Over into the bathroom, you have a toilet and then a sink with a large cabinet below it, as well as a medicine cabinet up above. And then you have a huge shower with lots of headroom. Alright, now let's head out of the bathroom and into the kitchen. So in the kitchen, you have these long, narrow cabinets on each side, and then 4 drawers, as well as 2 large cabinets underneath of the countertops. And then behind the TV, you have a cabinet also. It's kind of like this. There's a little handle there, as you can see. And then you have a microwave with a stove top above it, and then a large refrigerator. Here's the spec sheet if you want to take a look at it, but that is going to do it for the tour of this East to West Entrada 2600DS. Thank you so much for touring this RV with me. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Till next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the road.